Hey students, this is just a quick info video about how to make an adjustment to see an FBX file in your preview software. Your Windows software should come with this 3D viewer, and when you start it up it looks like this. Kind of gives you a little tutorial on how to manipulate the sample images or objects here. By default, um, the settings for the open FBX file is deactivated. So you basically just have to, when you go to open up a new FBX, for instance, if I go to open and I navigate to the export of my column, just navigating to my 3ds Max 2024 folder exports, there's my basic column. When I go to open that, this gives me this warning. I'm going to click OK, go to my help, settings, turn open FBX files on, go back out, and repeat the open command. And there you have it. Okay, super easy. Just remember it's in your help file or your help menu and settings. All right, thanks for watching.